This is charming princess, red tulips. As you can see, the tulips, they are tall. It varies the color. If it is so dark, so it has another name. So if ever you buy a bulb, you have to know the name of the bulb if you want a red, because it matters also the color. There is dark red, there is light red, and each red color of tulips has its name because of the shape, and also with combination, sometimes white. So if you want a red tulips with combination with white, you have to be specific in buying a bulb, because there are many kinds of red tulips. So red, short red tulips. So in my next video, I think I can show you the other name of red tulips. If you like this video, subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment if you want to ask some question. For I have another video to show you the other tulips in other area of South Holland, Netherlands.